啥物要和妈妈讲？
即个甲妈妈讲。
有啊。
亲爱的老婆。恁后生要转去哦。
即马10点22:23，我即马要飞去台湾，然后搁20天。
好的，
好，拜拜。It's almost 6 a.m. right now in Taiwan. Funny story, because I almost missed the flight because I went to go buy water and then I heard my name over the intercom and they were waiting for the last 2 passengers and one of them was me. So I felt a little bad, but you know, the plane still took off on time. But yeah, I learned my lesson, so I won't do that again. Now I'm waiting for the connecting flight to Kaosiung. So it's close to 6 a.m. right now and it's not leaving for another hour. So I've got time to kill. So, and I didn't exchange money either, so I can't buy anything here until I get to Kaosiung, which kind of sucks. Wow, look at all the stuff I can't order because I didn't exchange my money.哦，咱即摆伫新达港伫高雄县要食一寡蚵仔面线，佮有诶无诶，
佮有诶无诶，
有诶无诶，今仔日佮落雨，哦，落大雨。
阿公食着安怎？
哦，我吃。
吃一口，然后咬一口。
然后咬一口。
对，咬一小口。哦，OK，OK。哎呀，学到了哈。
好吃。